board this Turkish Airlines flight, we would like to draw your attention to the safety information you need to follow during this flight. Please stow your hand luggage carefully in the overhead compartments. You can place smaller items under the seat in front of you. When the seatbelt sign is on, please fasten and adjust your seatbelt as shown. Keep your seatbelt fastened and visible until the seatbelt sign is off. When needed, you can release it as shown. Before the flight, extension and boot belts are given out by the cabin crew. Please switch your mobile phones and all other electronic devices to flight mode. Mobile phones and other electronic devices without a flight mode must be switched off. Before takeoff and landing, please unplug all your electronic devices. Smartphones, tablets, and other small devices may be held, but laptops and larger devices must be stowed in their cases in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. If your device is lost or falls into the seat structure, do not move your seat. Just call a member of our cabin crew. It is illegal to smoke on this flight, including electronic cigarettes. Pull the nearest mask. Place it over your nose and mouth. Pull the straps to adjust your mask, and keep breathing normally. Make sure your mask is well adjusted before helping others. Emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin, at the front, center, and rear. The exit signs will help you locate them. Take a moment now to locate your nearest sign, which may be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave the aircraft following the exit signs and the illuminated path along the aisle. To ensure a quick evacuation.
Hey guys, I'm strolling around Istanbul airport and it's pretty amazing. Yeah, so I'm trying to look for the gate that I'm supposed to catch my next flight. It's proving to be a task. Yeah. So guys, I am waiting to board my next flight to Berlin, and I'm just chilling in this nice beans. Like everyone is just having time of their lives, and so am I. Yeah, I think if you have a long layover and this is like your connecting airport, you're gonna have a ball of a time because there are very comfortable areas to chill. It's really huge and pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when you see me next. Guten Morgen. Ich heiße Carol. Ich komme aus Kenia, aber ich wohne in Nairobi. Wie geht's? Es geht mir gut. Und du? Yo, guys, I'm in Berlin. I'm in Germany. I am having fun. I hope I'm looking at you guys because I'm using my phone and I don't know where to look. Yeah, I guess. I'm lucky to be staying at the Grand Hyatt. I think that's how it's said. And yeah, probably you can see around. You can probably see around. So I just want to like head out. Oh, how do people shoot with their phones? Yeah, okay, please. It's gonna fall. You're all gonna fall. Yeah, so I want to head out and explore Berlin, see what it has to offer, and then I will catch you guys later. But welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you here, and please subscribe. And yeah, this time I'll sing because I haven't sung in a while, and I'm gonna sing a love song, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Like when I discovered it, I really loved it, and I discovered it from a cover that. For the interruption, someone texted me and my video just closed, said it's a wrap. But yeah, I was saying that the cover, I discovered it from Jamhuri Sessions, and it was Lisa Odro singing, and I hope I'm gonna try and you know, sing it, yeah. Should I do it now before I head out, or maybe I should? I could place you guys there and then I'm gonna sing, but I don't like the lighting. The lighting has changed. The lighting has changed. The lighting, how about there? The lighting has changed again. Okay, let's see if I can play you guys. No, the lighting has changed. How about I place you guys here? Oh yes. Though like I might just be forced to be. Wait, I have a nice stool. Let me get that. cute this stool is. I got from the bathroom. Yeah. Let's move this room service a little bit behind. And then here we are. Okay. I hope you all can see me, so I am gonna sing right now. Let's take it away. If I blunder, just bear with me. Okay? All right. Shh. You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. I know, let me start again, man. Okay. I don't know if that's the right key. I don't know. Okay. When imagine nikiwa kwenye jangwa, when imagine nikiwa kwenye jangwa, when dawa nikiumwa na kichwa, you're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see, nataka kuona urembo wako, nikikutazama naona nyota. If you love me, would you say something? If you love me, would you love me, would you? Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, I feel like I'm gonna redo it because I kind of didn't like how it sounded, but we're gonna see. Yeah. So I'm gonna go get my jacket. So this is a jacket that's keeping me warm while I'm in Berlin. It's actually it's an original Tom Taylor jacket, and it's quite heavy and comfy. Yeah. Yeah, so I will try film as much as I can while I am out exploring. So I'm gonna see you guys when you see me. I know. Shoo. Okay, looks like there'll be concerts tonight. So pretty. Is this like a garden on the side? Oh.
They're moving, Musao.
Okay. in Hamburg, and I am dying. Like, the architecture around Hamburg is breathtaking. Can you guys see behind me? There's like a wow, the sun is right on my eyes, so so I can barely see what I'm recording, but just see my background. Just see my background. Okay, let's go. Let's go. You guys, Hamburg is so beautiful. I am loving this place.
Das kann man deshalb denen übergeben.
Nein, you keep me.
Love lives here, right? Oh my god. Let's explore Hamburg. Actually, people here say Hamburg. And I don't think I'm going to change my pronunciation for anything because I think Hamburg is right. Okay, so I'm just going to go to what brought me here. I hope you guys can see me. Filming yourself, it's tricky. Let me just change my camera so that... gosh, there's a building there that's just giving goosebumps. Where is it? Let me try and... I don't know if I can zoom, man. Okay, so I'm just gonna cross over here. You guys, and you just see this piece of architecture. Ah, Lord, I could live here. It's the train. You guys, can you see that? It's so pretty. Yeah, so pretty. I wish I was closer. Okay, so let's go to this building. Catch you guys later. So can you all see what I'm seeing? Okay, cannot zoom anymore. This building is majestic. So I don't know if I can get in. Let's just explore around. Sorry. Shot.